Hello and welcome to Verbal to Visual. I'm your host, Doug Neill. Today we're out in the real world to do some visual vocabulary building, not by doing a Google image search, but by actually getting out into the real world, looking at your surroundings and looking for objects that you can learn to draw and then incorporate into your visual notes. We are in Cathedral Park in the St. John's neighborhood of Portland, and what you're about to see are a handful of scenes in which I encourage you to pause this video at each different scene and draw the object that you see. This is an opportunity for you to practice building your visual vocabulary from something that I will show you. But after that, I hope that this video encourages you to get out in your own environment, wherever you happen to live, and look for things in that environment that you can learn to draw. I think that when you do that, when you build up a more personalized visual vocabulary based on things that you actually see, that makes for a little bit deeper connection in your brain between that visual and might make it a little bit more impactful for you to then use that drawn object in your notes. And with each scene, after I've given you the opportunity to pause and draw, I then will reveal how I would draw that object. So you'll get to see that as well. All right, so let's get into it. Here's the first scene. All right, I hope that you enjoyed that practice, building your own visual vocabulary based on what I chose to show here in St. John's. And I hope that this also got you excited about doing this type of thing yourself, building your own visual vocabulary based on observations that you make, objects that you see in your immediate environment. So good luck as you go out and do something like this yourself. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.